First, use the appropriate hole gauge to get an exact ID of each tube. The Kreis KVLD comes with one air-actuated vacuum tester and a T-handle to plug the backside. There are 5 available sizes of nozzles ranging from a 1/4 inch to 3 inch OD tubes. These nozzles come in pairs. The nozzle with a hole goes on the gun. The nozzle without a hole goes on the T-handle. To use the vacuum tester, first plug in the air hose, making sure to engage the air fitting. Now the tester is ready for use. Before initiating the test, plug the backside of the tube with the supplied T-handle, making sure there's no hole on the nozzle. In this example, the tube holds vacuum and passes. As you can see in this example, the tube does not hold a vacuum. Therefore, the tube is compromised. Make sure to remove and clean any built-up debris that accumulates in the canister while testing.